branch of the NSE, like Ikeja branch. He's the 32nd branch of the NSE. He's a branch to match. Building a viable engineering culture dedicated to bring out the best and to nurture the best of the best. The second to none is Ikeja branch. The best of the best. The second to none is Ikeja branch.
Thank you very much, Mark.
Good morning. Hi. Really good to see new faces. I think so. I'm in alignment. All right, interesting. I welcome you to the Nigerian set of Organised in their branch. And I must really say I'm here.
With God on our side will be no fair and wide, where the branch to watch. With wisdom we will lead, and discretion we will build, will be known for certain. Together we will make a great nation proud. Innovations and professionalism all around. The best of the best, the second to none is Ikeja branch. The best of the best, the second to none is Ikeja.